Wow, the airport is already so busy.
Yeah. Mornings here are always like this. Those doors are huge.
Welcome to airport life.
People are walking everywhere.
Everyone is going somewhere.
Okay, stay close together.
Yes, follow me.
This place is so big.
Bigger than a mall.
Look at the signs above.
They tell us where to go.
I can see airplanes.
That's where we'll be soon.
Look, so many planes.
You're excited already.
The windows are so clear.
You can see everything. Okay, let's keep walking.
This way. My backpack feels heavy.
That means we packed well.
So many people here.
Airports are always full,
It really feels like a mall.
with planes instead of shops.
The lights are so bright.
They're always on here.
Watch out for the suitcases.
I see them.
Hold my hand, Peter.
Okay.
Let me check the signs.
I think check-in is ahead.
Yes, there it is.
Perfect. That's our airline.
Good, we're in the right place.
There's a long line.
It moves fast.
Let's join the line.
Okay,
Do we have to wait?
Just a little.
passports ready.
I have them. These suitcases are heavy.
They'll take them soon. Hello,
Good morning. How can I help you?
we're flying to Costa Rica. Here are our passports.
Thank you. Let me type that in.
Sure.
Please place your bags here.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yes, no problem.
Great.
That's a relief.
Everything looks good.
Thank you.
Here are your boarding passes.
Thanks so much. Here you go, kids.
Wow. This is my boarding pass.
Yes. Keep it safe. Gate 22.
Got it. Let's check the screen.
There it is.
So many numbers.
Ours is easy.
Okay. Security next.
Let's go. This is security.
What happens here?
That line is long.
But it moves. Stand close together.
Okay.
Why do they use trays?
For bags and shoes.
Shoes off, everyone.
Even shoes?
Belts and watches here.
Yes. Put your backpack on the belt.
What is that machine?
It looks inside bags.
My turn.
I'm right behind you. Everything okay?
Yes. Go ahead, kids.
Okay.
I'm flying!
Not yet.
I'm standing still.
Good job.
All clear!
Thank you.
Let's grab our things.
Don't forget anything.
Shoes back on.
Finally!
Bags ready?
Yes.
That was easy!
See?
Okay, security done.
Nice.
It's open again.
That's the terminal.
I see shops.
And food.
Coffee.
Definitely.
This coffee smells great.
I need this.
Here you go!
Thank you.
Sandwich and fries.
Yes.
Can I choose?
Of course.
Let's sit here.
Perfect.
Coffee time.
Finally. I feel better now.
Me too.
These fries are good.
So good! Oops!
Careful. Let me clean that.
Sorry!
Gate 22 is right there.
Good.
People are waiting.
We will soon. Boarding soon.
That's us.
Pass is ready.
Ready. Time to go.
Let's pack up.
Backpack on.
Got it!
Follow me.
Gate 22. This is our gate.
Yes.
Boarding pass, please!
Here you go.
All set!
Thank you.
We are walking to the plane.
So cool!
Almost there.
I see the door. Welcome aboard.
Adventure begins.